Okay.
Can I go say hi? Yeah. Go say hi.
You're dripping wet. No. She'll come outside.
She will?
Mm-hmm.
How do you know? Is she gonna come swimming? Okay, I'll hold it, you get in.
You be quiet. It don't work that way. It doesn't work like that. I'm heavy.
It's okay, I'm strong.
No, you're not,
I'll
Stro.
hold this side. What's wrong with me?
Why are you lying, Stro? Move!
I want to say hello. Wait! Oh! Jenny! Jenny, be careful! Your side!
I'm letting hit, bro.
Pass me an oar.
Hey, I got in it.
Let's by you, Jesse.
Here, I got one.